Hi guys, first you need to create a composition. I'm going to use these settings. In order to make our first shake, in the effects look for motion tile and adjust it as I did. Be sure to include the mirror edges function. Then add the transform effect. And holding Alt, click on the clock opposite position and rotation. And also then click on the clock to add the keyframes. Move the keyframe 4 frames forward for the position and 3 frames for rotation. Move to the beginning and put similar values as mine. Select the first keyframe in the rotation, press F9 and slightly change the shape of this curve. Copy this expression, which you can find in my Telegram channel, and paste it for position and rotation. For the position in this expression, for the amplitude set the value of 0.2, frequency 3, decay 6. Do simple rotation, changing the values for expression. Making a simple animation with scale. Select keyframes, press F9 and make a curve like I did. Turn on motion blur and horizontal shake is finished. Copy the effects from our first footage. Now we're going to do a vertical shake with you. Reset the values for the position. And start to change the position by the X. For rotation, we set the value to 20. Change the position of keyframes for a few frames. Reshape the curve. Set these values for position. Don't change anything. We'll leave the values from our previous rotation. Copy the scale animation and paste it into the second footage. Add motion blur.